Alright guys, we're in the car. Tell them where we're going, EJ.
To the post office.
What's at the post office?
The car we're getting.
What kind of car is it?
It's an RC car.
And what are we going to do when we get home?
We're gonna unbox and check it out.
Alright, we'll see you in a little bit, guys. Go on then, go get it.
Okay. That looks very cool.
Yeah, then drop
it. It's quite heavy.
it.
Hi guys, today we got a new RC car. Want me to show you it? Here. It's what number?
Tell them what it is.
It's the WL Toys, I'm not sure. Take a guess.
What do you mean you're not sure? You've been looking at this online for the last 2 weeks.
Oh yeah. Well, it didn't say. It's the WL Toys whatever. Take a guess, guys. Is it going to be in red or green? Green! Red!
Alright, let's undo it then,
I'm
EJ.
going to get the red. Undo it! Everyone!
Do you want Mum to help you so you don't damage the box?
Yep. Everyone! And? Oh, yeah.
What do you reckon?
Whoa.
You're going to need some help unboxing that, aren't you?
Dad, don't touch it. I don't want you to ruin it. Really. This looks great. Wow. Here are the instructions and charger. Okay? Everyone back up.
Do you need some help getting it out the box?
Yes, of course. Unless I had a razor blade, I would need some help.
Let's move everything.
Remote.
It's going to come out together.
Not in the way, Dane. You're in the way.
Wow.
What do you think, Jess?
Show the camera and then
There we go. Let's zoom in. What do you reckon, Dane?
Okay, here's the car. It's got loads of suspension travel, front and rear. Now let's take the body off and see what's inside.
You sure you want to do that? Do you know what you're doing?
Yes, I've seen people take the bodies off in videos like that.
Oh, okay.
Whoa. Wow. So that's our light bulb. And we've got an engine there. Whoa, that's huge. Now, let's put the body clip back on. I can.
We're going to have to charge it up, aren't we?
How do you put the
Is
body?
that Dane?
I'm going to take the handle back. How do you put the body clips back on?
Alright, so let's finish this video. So tell everybody what you think about it.
I think it's great.
And we'll make another video when we've charged it up and we'll go test it out.
No, and we'll see you in a few hours when it's charged up.
Okay.
Okay.